Hey guys, today I'll be doing a video on how to fill in your eyebrows. So if you would like to learn how to fill in your eyebrows, just keep watching. I will be using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer pencil, okay? This is spoolie at the other end. So I'm gonna start by basically shaping my eyebrow, and depending on how much eyebrow you need, if you want your eyebrow a little bit thicker, you just have to outline it a little bit thicker. All you're doing is shaping your eyebrow, okay? So, but if you don't have an arch, you could always just create it with your pencil. But this is how I do it. So you see I started it right there. And what I like to use as a guide, I also do this. And that way I know where to stop, okay? And then also at the end, to know where to stop the wing, I do this. That way I know how far out and where I should stop. Sometimes I just eyeball it, but sometimes I do this. So if this helps you, go ahead and do it, because I think it's a good technique. So then you can, with the spoolie, the side of the spoolie, you just brush out the harsh, so you won't have any harsh lines from the pencil. So you just brush them out. Okay, but I also use a powder. I use the Dark Brown Brow Powder Duo by Anastasia. This one. Okay. And it has two shades. It has a dark one and a light one. But I use mostly the light one. I use very little of the dark one. But you could use any eyeshadow. Brown. You could even use some regular eyeshadows, like brown eyeshadows. It doesn't have to be one that's specifically for eyebrows. That's what I'm trying to say. You can use any eyeshadow you have as long as it's brown and it matches your eyebrow. So I just go in and fill it in a little bit more. And then with a brush, I like to use a Wet n Wild. It's an ankle brush by Wet n Wild. This is the brush that I like to use to apply the powder. And I start with the light shade. The shade that I start with. And the light shade is for the inner part of the eyebrow. I like to do the inner part of the eyebrow very lightly because I try not to make them harsh. Sometimes they do come out harsh, but other times they come out not so harsh, and that's when I like them. But now with another small angled brush, the E.L.F. small angled brush. That's the one I use to clean my eyebrows, and I use the NC20 Studio Finish Concealer, the MAC one. This is the one I use to clean my eyebrows. So all I do is put a little bit in my hand, and I actually just grab it from my hand. And I start cleaning the bottom of my eyebrow. Just to make sure I blend in the concealer, since I just use my finger. But then I also go back with the pencil if I need to. Kind of feather out the inner corner, I feather it out because I don't want it as harsh in the center. I mean, in the inner part of the eyebrow, I don't want it as harsh, so I feather it out a little with the concealer. Sometimes I do clean up the top as well. The concealer I use is pretty much the color of my foundation, so I use it for the bottom and the top because it's gonna blend in with my foundation. So there you go. There's the first brow done. And that is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video, and comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.